2025. Taong 2025 na po. Ano na? Ano na nangyayari sa inyo? 2025 na po. Tapos na ang 2024. Ano na po nangyayari sa inyo, mga kaibigan, kabayan? Ano na nangyayari sa inyo lahat? Bilis ng panahon. Parang kailan lang ang 2024. Ngayon 2025 na. Grabe, bilis ng panahon. You are now watching another episode ng Manhattan Dreams Come True YouTube channel. Okay? Ito po ay isang another episode, no, ng YouTube channel Manhattan Dreams Come True YouTube channel, no? Siya nga pala, ako po ang iyong abang lingkod, El Capitan Larry Chan, a career coach and consultant, no? And you're watching Manhattan Dreams Come True YouTube channel. This is a entertainment and enlightenment channel, no? Punong-puno ng information, inspiration and instruction. Hindi po ito pangkaraniwang YouTube channel. My audience is overseas Filipino workers, OFW. And if you are a OFW in any parts of the world, I welcome you to Manhattan Dreams Come True, no? Matatagpuan mo rin kami sa Facebook, no? Manhattan Dreams Come True is also available sa Facebook, no? Pero majority ng content is nasa YouTube channel, no? Manhattan Dreams Come True YouTube channel. Majority ng content, yung laman, is nandito sa YouTube channel. Ang Facebook is more on teaser video or teaser videos, no? Yung tinatawag na parang reels, shorts, no? To invite you, the audience, na manood sa YouTube, no, ng Manhattan Dreams Come True channel at maging subscriber namin, no? Kaya kung hindi ka pa po subscriber, I would like to invite all of you to like, to follow, and be our subscriber, no? To like, to follow, and be our subscriber sa Manhattan Dreams Come True YouTube channel. Isama mo na rin ang Facebook page ng Manhattan Dreams Come True. Iisa lang ang logo, isa lang ang pangalan, Manhattan Dreams Come True, no? If you are a OFW, overseas Filipino workers, in any parts of the world, I invite you to become a subscriber or follower, no? Facebook page and YouTube channel. Okay? So hindi na po ako magpatumpik-tumpik. This is season 3, episode 1, no? Itong episode na to is recorded ito ngayon, no? January ng 2025. Mabilis po ang takbo ng panahon. Kakatapos lang ang 2024. Now is 2025. And I'm recording this video January po ng taong 2025. So if you are watching this uh, channel, no, or episode, no, episode 1 po ito ng season 3, no. Meron akong mga recorded videos before season 1 and season 2, no. Maraming videos na, pero ito ay season 3 episode 1, no, ng taong 2025. What's the purpose of this, no? What's the purpose of this? First of all, I want to connect with all of you again. Sa mga hindi nakakilala sa akin nga, no? Ako po yung nagpasikat na tinatawag na online paluwagan program sa taong 2020. 2019 to be exact, December, hanggang mga July, August ng taong 2020. Ako nagpasikat ng online paluwagan program. At yung aking paluwagan that time is yung isang hulog lang, pero buwan-buwan po yung sahod, no, or blessings, no. Isang beses lang, no, ang hulog, pero buwan-buwan po ang sahod or blessings. Walang limit, no. Pero that was taong 2020. Pilit kong ibalik po yan sa ibang taon, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, now 2025, but no, I'm not repeating yung online paluwagan program. Marami po akong rason, but definitely isa sa mga rason ay ayoko kasi pasukan ako ng mga sindikato, no, kasi nga I also want to protect my audience, no. I also want to protect my followers and subscribers and supporters, no. Lahat tayo may ipit kung may pumasok na sindikato, no, lalo na sa paluwagan program, no. May pera kasing involved. So I don't want to revive it, no, kahit gusto ko man, no. So sa lahat po ng panood ng season 1 and season 2 na videos, no, yung mga iba-ibang episodes ko, no, I try to revive, pero now I decided I don't want to revive it, no. Ayoko na, no. Pero I would like to continue talking about ito, yung panibagong pag-asa, no. Panibagong pag-asa. Panibagong pag-asa saan? Okay? If you become my follower, if you become my subscriber, if you become my supporter, no, I would like to help you, no, mga OFW, no. Kasi iisa lang ang kwento no, iisa lang ang kwento natin lahat. Isa lang ang kwento, no. Ano pa ang kwento na yan? All of us, majority, no, kung di ako nagkakamali, 99%, no, still have money problems, no. Problema pa rin sa pera, patong-patong mga utang, dumadami mga gastusin, pagka may emergency, walang pera, alam mo na, lahat yun, no? Walang ipon pag uwi sa Pilipinas, pag for good, no, or nag-retire, no, zero balance, wala. So if you are listening to me and you have this, yung money problems, yan po ang tawag dun, saklap, no, saklap pakinggan, no, parang sumpa, no, saklap pakinggan, parang sumpa. So my purpose now, no, sa taong 2025 is to give you information, inspiration and instruction para mawala kayo sa sumpa, no. I'm not here to invite you to join anything, no. Hindi po ito investment, no. Hindi rin po ito business opportunity, no. I'm not asking you to join me, at hindi ko kailangan kumbaga, I don't need you to give me money. Hindi po, no. I don't want your money, your hard-earned money, no? Hindi po purpose ko na mag-encourage sa inyo to give me your hard-earned money. Ang purpose ko dito sa YouTube channel na to, Manhattan Dreams Come True, is to share to you important information, inspiration, and instruction para mawala po kayo sa sumpa ng kahirapan, para makaahon kayo. So please become my supporter, subscriber, follower dito sa Manhattan Dreams Come True YouTube channel, and also yung Facebook page ng Manhattan Dreams Come True. Ang good news ko for 2025 is kung ano ang kinikita ko, no? Whatever my income, no? Kung ano man ang income ko, I would like to share to my followers, subscribers, and subscribers and supporters, no? Kung ano man kinikita ko, kung saan man ang business ko, kung ano man ang kumbaga pagkakakitaan ko, hanap buhay ko, no? I would like to share my blessings to all of you, yung audience. I would like to give ayuda, I would like to give blessings to all of you, no? Kaya I look forward to you supporting me, become my subscriber, and follow me, no? This is the first episode ng season 3, and watch for more episodes to come. I will explain further. Apo. God bless all of you.